How good's it gonna look with the skirts? It's so empty right now.
What's up?
What's up?
I'm pumped.
I'm serious. I'm so good.
What are we doing?
Got some Project Aero, full kit. Slap it on.
Slap it on?
Yeah.
Yes, that's Raaid, by the way. The homie. This is his Evo 7 2002
O2.
GTA.
Yep.
Built auto.
Built auto.
Let's go. So we have a little Project Aero full kit up in here. That needs to go in the car. We got a splitter for the front to protect the Kansai lip. We got side skirt extensions, and we got, what do they call these things?
Wrist bats.
No, aren't spats the one that goes with the stickers?
I don't know what they call them, wrist bats, but
I'm sure.
I guess they're called rear extensions.
I think they're rear bumper extensions.
Yeah.
We got my Evo here chilling. It's not the center of attention for once. So this is what it looks like without, which it already looks fantastic. Probably the cleanest GTA I've ever damn seen.
Ah, you're too nice, man.
It is 100%. Look how good it looks.
To be fair,
Most. You've done well with this. It was
Thanks,
a bit
man.
clapped when you got it.
Yeah. It's
But
gone a long way.
she clean now. Alright, we got to jack it up. Because he's got a Kansai lip, my jack won't get under that, so we've got some ramps that we're gonna have to use. So we'll do that, and then let's probably start at the front, I guess.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Well, the front splitter. These things kind of have a double purpose. They obviously look sick when they're on. You get the whole double lip kind of get up, and then the other thing, they're made from a ABS plastic, which is quite tough, so it doubles up as protection for the lip, which is great, particularly with this one. You know, they're not cheap and they look great, so we'll be able to protect it with that. We just got to work out how to mount it. Apparently the rumor is that one of these hasn't been put on one of these lips before, so we're gonna have to work out how. Alright, so these tabs, because this is made for a factory 7 lip, these tabs don't line up with the tabs that we've got underneath here. These tabs, like, they're raised off this lip, so basically we're gonna have to drill through this lip quite a lot, but that's fine. We're probably gonna have to even drill new holes through this, but that's fine again. So we're gonna roughly kind of mock it up, mark where we've got to drill, put a few in, and then just send it. I don't know, that's kind of the plan. I forgot my cable ties, so we're using a bit of rope to hold that bit up. I managed to find 2 clamps, so we're clamping the outside. So I marked the center of it underneath. Obviously we've got to drill holes so we don't want to fuck it up. So I'm gonna line the sides up, line the middle up, mark it, drill some holes. We'll be able to utilize 2 of the holes on the very back of the splitter. But that's kind of roughly where it's going to sit, I think, kind of. Maybe a little bit more that way. I gotta line it up. That is freaking angry. She's gonna be angry,
That's
son.
spicy.
I dig it.
It's cool.
First one. Oh, this one's fucked. I forgot. My ratchet's fucked.
One side's on.
That's pretty good. Let's do the other one.
Let's do it.
The bolts in either side. Now I'm gonna do one right in the middle up through this thing. Now we're actually gonna have to drill through the lip, through the splitter itself. We were able to utilize 2 holes, so hopefully this isn't too hard to drill through. I think we'll be fine. Oh, that's fucking hot.
Let's go.
That was so fucking hot. That made me a little bit horny, actually, I'm not gonna lie. So, because we're making our own holes, all the holes that came with the PA splitter are all nicely countersunk. Unfortunately, we're making our own holes because this isn't OEM lip, like we've said. So I'm going to use just a bigger drill bit just to countersink this hole that we just made, just so our bolt doesn't stick out, and then instead of scraping the lip, whenever we scrape anything, we're scraping the head off these bolts. So I'm gonna get like, I don't know, like a 10 mil or something, and just drop a little countersink in there, and then this thing will be fucking mint, mate.
Let's go.
Let's go. Tell you what, it wears your neck out doing this, eh?
Yeah.
Like last time I did this on my car,
fat neck.
bro, my neck was so sore the next day. It's like I just did a neck lifting up. Yeah, that's fucking pretty good.
That's good.
pretty,
pretty
could be a little bit more, but I didn't want to drill through it, obviously. So angry. So wide. Alright, couple more bolts. We're just gonna bang them out and then we'll show the finished product, because obviously we've got a little bit of angry to sort out, but that's mint. The splitter, the front splitter is on, mounted. We used a couple less bolts than what we were given, but it's on there pretty damn good. Looks clean as hell.
So aggressive.
What do you reckon, my bro?
So good.
So aggressive. Gives the car a lot more width. Like, it's going to be so aggressive when that's on the ground. Protect that Kanzai loop. Kanzai?
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh, coming soon. The secret project. Shall we do the side skirts?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I think it could be a different.
I rate it. Oh, I got black shit on my face. I definitely 100% have to get this set up for my car. Alright, so next thing, while the front of the car's up, let's try and work out this side skirt. It says to take this side skirt off. Rally car spare.
Rally car spare.
We pulled the side skirt off because apparently that's the easiest way. There's just two of these little push pin clip things at the front here, and then like a bunch of little screws along, and then it's just got some tabs to just pull it out, and now we can mount that on there, and it should be a whole lot easier, you know?
That's pretty easy.
That was super easy. That took like 2 minutes to pull that off. So the bolts that we got for the side skirts, I feel like they're a little bit too short. The way it was kind of meant to go, it didn't really work, so I ended up, because we didn't use a lot of the front ones, we are using these longer bolts that were for the front splitter to put through. This has like a double lip thing on the inside here, so the short bolts didn't quite make it, so kind of modified how it was going to go a little bit, but we got it on. So let's put it on the car. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's see how it looks. The side skirt extension is on, looking fantastic. Definitely an improvement. We're gonna have to jack the back of the car up to get the drill underneath that little gap there. So we're gonna jump on the other side, do the other side skirt extension, which should be pretty quick now because we got this one down pat. And then we'll put the front of the car down, which I'm pumped to see. And then we'll move to the back, jack the back up a bit, and do those back spats.
Final stretch.
Yeah, final stretch. No, we're good. Oh my lord. Still gonna do the back flip. Damn. That is aggressive. That looks so good, my man.
Holy shit. Oh, it's filthy. I'm keen to watch it.
How good is it?
It looks crazy. Yeah, front looks complete.
Complete. Alright, let's finish it off. Alright. I'm filthy. Standard. Fortunately, we can get the 2 clamps in on this one and clamp it down quite well, whereas on the front, they weren't clamped super well. Just it was more for holding it. But this is clamped nice and tight. That's exactly how it's going to sit. So I'm just going to drill it straight away, bang the bolts in, home and hosed. Right there.
Damn, bro, is that air suspension?
Oh.
Clean. What do you reckon?
That's clean. Yeah, that's stoked. That was stoked. Cool, good choice.
Hell yeah.
Just needs a wash.
Just needs a wash.
Just dusty. Bro, that looks so aggressive. Thoughts?
Bro, I love it.
You love it?
This is exactly what I wanted.
Exactly what you wanted? Exactly what you needed?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is super aggressive, love it. And then just the skirt extensions and the bumper extensions just ties it together. Looks incredible. Really like this colour, Memphis blue? Memphis blue?
Memphis blue.
Yeah. Big sus. And the 7. Ended up messaging old mate who supplies the kit about the bolts for the side skirts, and it turns out that his supplier sent him the wrong bolts. So the bolts we have are too short, which is fine. We worked it out. But yeah, there was an issue with that, but all good, all sorted, they're on. And it looks incredible. The line, like the aggressiveness that it adds, just that extra 20, 30 mil, just makes a difference. That's insane. It looks so good. Alright, well that's the end of it. Man's doing his thing. The PA kit looked fantastic. I just got sunscreen in my eyes, so now it's killing me. Definitely gonna have to pick up a PA kit for my Evo. That thing. Definitely gonna get one in the future. It looks incredible on the 7. It'll look good on the 9. Pumped. Pumped. Thanks for watching.